Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Little Dragon token. Ticker symbol is 10N8, or 10N8. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this project, on this token, and how you can get it. In just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, this token recently just had an initial DEX offering, an IDO, on Bybit, on the Bybit Web3 wallet. And they sold out within 5 seconds, it says. That's how crazy this presale was. 5 seconds, gone. And now it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange called Gate. Now, Gate is not available in everybody's country and everybody's area, so we're going to go over a couple different ways that you can get this token here. But the first one is, it says it will be listed on Gate March 18th at 10 a.m. UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Gate account, you can get this token by downloading Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or opening up an account on gate.io. Then you would fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol 10N8, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their webpage is 10N8.io. So yeah, their pre-sale there, their IDO sold out insanely fast. Their Twitter, I'm going to put on the screen right here, blue verified checkmark at 10N8 BRC20. That tells you right there, this is a BRC20 token. Blue verified checkmark, 148 tweets, very active. They just joined Twitter in December 2023. They already have 42,300 Twitter followers. It says Bitcoin's favorite viral utility token, building DeFi and gaming on Bitcoin based on Little Dragon's lore and IP, creating an entire utility ecosystem. Underneath that, they have a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. So on the link tree, they have a link to the Unisat market where you can get this token. So that would be the other way to get this token besides Gate or any other central exchange, is you can get it BRC20 tokens on the Unisat marketplace. So they have a link to that right on the link tree there on this Twitter here. So if Gate is not available in your country, or you just don't like central exchanges, that is the way that you can get the token right there, by clicking on that link tree and then clicking on the Unisat heading. Then they have a Telegram and their Twitter link and website that you can follow. So their Telegram is at Little Dragon BRC20, 19,965 Telegram members. 1,184 of them are online, so that's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project, talk to community members, see updates, get involved, things like that. So in their pinned tweet there, their pinned tweet also has the link to the Bybit.com IDO if you want to check that out, but that's over. But then they also have the Bybit inscription wallet. So that's where you can hold the Unisat BRC20 tokens. You can hold them in this Bybit wallet. Now, I don't have a Bybit wallet because in my country, Bybit is not available. So why would I use the Bybit wallet? Doesn't make sense. So I've never specifically used that type of wallet. There's other wallets where you could store BRC20 tokens, but they have that one in the pinned tweet. And they have a link again to the Unisat marketplace where you can get the token. In that, pinned tweet has a couple links there. And then underneath that, too, you can see the Gate listing announcement on this Twitter. And there is a startup campaign where you can get airdrops. There's a $30,000 reward pool with airdrop campaign going on starting March 16th, it says, I believe, until the 18th. So you can get involved with that for 2 days if you want to check that out. So it says their IDO sold out in 5 seconds to 1,100 plus holders. So that's how many people bought the token in 5 seconds. That is pretty crazy. So yeah, the startup event goes from March 16th, 6 a.m. UTC time, till March 18th. So you can check that out on Gate as well. And then if you go to their webpage, you can also find 2 different Medium articles as well. So they have medium.com/@10N8BRC20. That's where you can find Medium articles. So 10N8 introduces the concept of BRC20 tokens, Dragon mini game with staking pools, soon to evolve into metaverse based on the Bitcoin asset class. We want to bring financial literacy to the masses through our gamified solution on Bitcoin and DeFi. Inspired by the Chinese Year of the Dragon, 10N8 integrates traditional with technology, accelerating projects and introducing them to the Dragon Pool, a staking-based yield in selected BRC20 project tokens. So they have the Red Envelope Hunter game. We want to engage the community by introducing the Red Envelope Hunter game. Participants staking in Dragon Pools gain access to this BRC20 game, competing for rewards and the coveted red envelope containing Bitcoin. This innovative game includes an in-game microtransaction system integrating other BRC20 tokens as native value transfers and reward mechanisms. The initial integrated tokens will be 10N8 and TSHX. Are you ready to join the game? So we at 10N8 leverage the Ordinals protocol. We introduced the groundbreaking concept of Bitcoin inscriptions, enabled by the SegWit 2017 and Taproot 2021 upgrades. This paradigm shift empowers the engraved content on Satoshis, the smallest unit of Bitcoin. Our goal at 10N8 is to demystify and popularize this technology. So if you go to their webpage, you can find Tokenomics roadmap. It says their stake-to-play game is coming soon. It's not available yet. They have tons of backers on here as well. So how the token is split up, 10% early supporters, 10% late supporters, 12.74% pre-public, 20% market release and central exchange listings, 11% research and development, 6.91% public sale, 5% staking rewards, 3.35% advisors, and 11% team for a total supply of 8,888,888 tokens. And yeah, so they have their roadmap. So started with strategic round, build the ecosystem, TGE, staking-based gamified Dragon Pool, yield in BRC20s, accelerator pool, central exchange listings, mini Dragon staking game, 2 more gamified projects, in-game Ordinals collection, utility-based metaverse game, and then we got strategic round, further gamify expansion, early stage metaverse, and then research and development. So check out the frequently asked questions, their socials, 10n8.io is their webpage. So you can find this token on the Unisat marketplace, and then Gate coming up soon. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.